I have this bouncing ball. Do you have a bouncing ball? I'm just kidding. Hey, I want to tell you in this video how I run a weekly workshop and how I signed up members from weekly live workshop sessions, Zoom sessions, into my Skool membership. And in this video, I'm gonna play to you a little replay of where I explained a few of my members in my membership program of how you should approach running a weekly live workshop, or even if you do it once a month or so, and how running weekly Zoom workshop serves you to enroll a bigger group of people at the same time into your membership program. So basically how it all works is that from social media you get people signed up, and even from your email list you get people signed up for your live workshop, and on this workshop then you're gonna teach people your method, your stuff, and from this workshop then you're gonna give people an opportunity to sign up into your membership program. I'll explain you this in this video, right? But running a workshop allows you to build your email list. From after the workshop you can then follow up with some people and book calls and sign up more people that way, and from the workshop you can enroll usually 2, 3, 4, 5 people on a live session into your Skool membership program. You're gonna learn more about this in this video, and later on I'm gonna record a proper tutorial course module lesson on how you should be building doing your live workshops. But right now I just want you to understand the full picture, because if you would run a workshop, a webinar, a Zoom group call, you could from it enroll more people into your Skool membership program, right? Enjoy this video. And how we do it is you post content, right, everywhere.
Yep.
Facebook, LinkedIn, or whatever, those YouTube, and you announce, you say, hey, in 3 days I'm running this workshop, right, or whatever. Comment invite, and I'm gonna get you details. So anyway, we create a few content pieces to build the list. Then again, we DM people with the link, which I'll create for us on a high-level app, right, with an opt-in page for registration info, right? So I'll work on that whenever I launch this mini project for us. We get people from those places in to opt in, to register. We give them the Zoom link, they add it to their calendar. I'll figure out how that's done, and that's it. So for 3-4 days every week, or you don't even need to do it weekly, you can do it once per month if that's the case. You try to get more people sign up for it, even your existing email contacts. We promote to them, hey, come to register, right? So my point is, this all builds the list. People register, right? And we now know again who's interested in our stuff, because they are like, yeah, I want to come. So, and then we run this workshop. It's just an hour session here on Zoom. We remind people, come, 5, 10, 15 people will come. And then for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, we just teach. We do a little connection at the beginning. We teach them the method, the full picture of how to achieve certain outcome. Then we take questions, and then I already wrote that down, how to make a transition into a presentation, right? I don't know how I used to teach it, but I think I say, hey, guys, I even run a mini community where we can interact more often on this, and we implement all of this, right? If any one of you is interested, you can stay for the next 10, 15 minutes, and I'll show you, right? How for, I don't know, $100 a month, you can stay in and you meet with us weekly, and you become part of the community. We're gonna go through all of these steps, and we're gonna implement blah, blah, blah. And then people will naturally stay to see the presentation. And then we share blah, blah, blah. I share them with them how it all works and the price. And then at the end, I say, hey guys, any one of you right now who gonna sign up right now on a live call here with me, I'll spend the next 10, 15 minutes to get you all started and tell you already what's next. Here is the link. And if you go and pay right now as well on a group call here, I give you this extra bonus. So those
That one in the training, yeah.
So those, and maybe Carol, I don't know if you remember, but who was there with me when I did that? I did it in a similar way, and then a few of you signed up, and then I and so on, right? And a few people.
Yeah. Somebody was on the call with me when I did it with you. But my favorite thing, which was so important, was that we did it on the call. That was I would
Yes.
do the same thing
So
and practice
that's
that.
very important, right? Because let me be honest, two, 3 people will stay and they will sign up at the end, or they will just hang out because they have time. And then you can just talk. Let's say that it's us 3 left now, Zoe and Carol here and me. I can now talk to you both and I can kind of sign you up. Now, some people, they were limited on top of the hour they needed to go because they have other things, right? And they say, hey, I'm sorry, I gotta go. No problem. They left. But running a live workshop allowed me at that time and allows you to then follow up with those few people. And you're like, how did you reach out or send an email? How did you enjoy the workshop, right? Hey, I'm inviting you to a one-on-one call with me, to discuss blah, 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 whatever, right? So we follow up with people and that built our list. We talk to more and that's how it all connects. All right.
Oh, it does. I think mine's exactly what you said. I went through your whole system because somehow I connected you on Facebook, which is rare, that I would, and then saw your emails, and then you kept sending emails, and I thought, okay, I'm going to go on one of these and just listen and learn. So it was all self-driven. And that's actually what I'm appreciating is that's my next journey is that people they're causing themselves. I'm not chasing anybody. They're causing themselves to show up, be on the webinar, be ready if it's a future they want to fulfill on and take action. And then if they don't, again, making sure the follow-up system's in place because that's where the gold is.